Eco-friendly natural cosmetics born from nature. It smoothens your skin. Meet the functional cosmetics Le Pole, applicable for children and pregnant women. Le Pole, one of the brands of Nature Medics, was established based on a Latin motto, "Doctors treat and nature heals." It is a brand always striving to satisfy customers by extracting raw minerals such as natural vegetable herbs, seeking eco-friendliness, and avoiding animal experiments. The safety of the products certified through various research experiments is consistent with the brand that represents reliability. Its technology was recently recognized by the approval of the US FDA. Le Pole is making safe and reliable products by using state-of-the-art equipment and facilities certified by CGMP, the Excellent Cosmetics Manufacturing Standards. Le Pole product series have no harmful ingredients such as paraben, artificial colors, artificial fragrances, and strengthens self-recovery of the skin by containing natural vegetable herbs and ceramide, natural moisturizers, and can also be used by children and pregnant women. Le Pole Calming Wash and Shampoo do not contain silicone sulfate and hypoallergenic acid wash. It makes your skin and hair smooth and shiny. Nutria's BioLine, made of biopeptide and pomegranate extracts with excellent antioxidant and anti-aging effects, make your skin shiny and clear by supplying nutrition and moisture. Le Pole product series, excellent for wrinkle improvement, moisturizing, skin gloss, etc. Now meet Le Pole brand products made only with nature-friendly ingredients.
다른 화장품들 사용할 때는 아이가 따가워하거나 아파서 바르기 싫다고 도망다니고 있었는데 랍보이를 만나고 나서부터는 순한 제품이기 때문에 사용하면서 더 많은 호전을 보고 있습니다.
제품을 쓰면 그게 느껴져요. 진심, 그리고 깨끗하고, 그리고 순하다. 이 세 가지를 잘 꾸준하게 잘 지켜서 끝없이 사랑받았으면 좋겠습니다.
Starting with exports to Myanmar, we are reborn as a reliable product through exports to Europe, Australia, North America, as well as China and ASEAN. We aim to export our products to the world's major cities in 2017. Nature Medics, a company that made a name for itself through various exhibitions and buyer invitation, export business meetings. Please watch the moves of Nature Medics, a company always growing with customers. Le Pole, the name of reliability that always keeps the customers with love.